In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix. Unfortunately, Amazon Kindle has stopped error. If you are experiencing this on your Amazon Kindle app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started first, you need to troubleshoot your Amazon Kindle app to see if this fixes your problem. To do that, just go to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, you should see all your apps. If you don't see them, then look for manage apps or all apps option. Here, search for your app by name, and if you tap on it, now we are on the Amazon Kindle app info page. First, go to force stop and OK. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. And again, clear all data and OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your Amazon Kindle app, everything now should be working and you shouldn't get that error where your Kindle app stops suddenly. However, should this not fix your problem, then you want to check if there is any update on your Kindle app. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your app. And if I run my app, you can see here it is. Then update your app to the latest version. But sometimes even after updating, you might still find that your app still stops. For that, it means your app contains bugs. You need to clear the bug by uninstalling the app and installing it afresh. Once you have done, now your app should be running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. However, at this point, if you still have that challenge, then you want to check and see that you are not using any VPN or proxy app. If that's the case, try turning it off and see if it works. But finally, if the problem still persists, then most likely Kindle app has experienced server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes and try opening your app. Now you should be able to use it without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.